layman terms we are explaining to you. We are not going into the too much complex, complexity. In simple terms, we are understanding everything. Okay. So let us rub the diagram here, and please give the heading Western Cyclonic Disturbance. Okay. But in geography, please make a habit of making diagram, and in answer also, please mention diagram, especially in geography answers. It is very compulsory. Okay. Compulsory means if you will make diagram, it creates very positive impression that the child is having all the conceptual knowledge. Okay. So let us make the particular heading here, Western Cyclonic Disturbance. Western Cyclonic Disturbance. Western Cyclonic Disturbance. The Western Cyclonic Disturbance is also coming in the month of winter only. This is also coming in the month of winter. Western Cyclonic Disturbance is also coming in the month of winter, and because of which part of India is getting rainfall? Northwestern part of India. है ना? Northwestern part of India. So this type of question also comes. Northwestern part of India is getting rainfall in the month of winter due to what? Due to Western Cyclonic Disturbance. Okay. Southeast part of India is getting rainfall in the month of winter due to what? So it is getting rainfall due to retreating monsoon. So this type of concept must be clear to all of you. Okay. Northwestern part. Again we will make the diagram of India here. So let us make the diagram of India. So here fine. So here this is the northwestern part of India, this particular part. The northwestern part of India is getting rainfall due to the Western Cyclonic Disturbance. Basically, if you see, India is having, if you compare India and Europe, suppose this is Europe, okay, imagine this is Europe and this is India. So beta, Europe is completely there in temperate region, that is why temperature here will be low, okay, temperature here will be low. Since temperature here is low, that means pressure will be high. So here what we have? High pressure we have. Okay. Now here in India, relatively, if you compare with Europe, so in India temperature is high, so pressure will be low. So what we have here? Low pressure we have as compared to this particular part. Hai na? Here we have high pressure because temperature is down. Here we have low pressure because temperature is high. Why it is there? So always mention that temperature is having inversely proportional to pressure. Means if temperature will be high, pressure will be low. Okay. Now here dear, we have a particular water body which is called as Mediterranean Sea. So Mediterranean Sea is there. Fine. So when the wind is coming from this particular Mediterranean Sea area, so let us make the wind here. So when it is coming now, it is bringing moisture, and these moisture-laden winds are basically bringing the rainfall in the northwestern part of India in the month of winter. Since it is completely, disturbing the normal life here, that is why it is called as disturbance. Okay, so it is what? Western Cyclonic Disturbance that is coming in the month of winter in northwestern part of India, and this little bit extra, conceptual line you can write in your notebook. This is happening due to the pressure variation between India and Mediterranean Sea of Europe. Okay, so now let us, I hope this Western Cyclonic Disturbance is clear to all of you. Now little bit I will tell you about cyclone. How cyclone is coming here, very basic part I will tell you. So let us rub the board first and then I will tell you the cyclone. Okay. After cyclone, we will discuss some basic, key terms, and then our chapter will be over. Very, very interesting chapter, this climate. Fine. I hope you are understanding all the basic terms. So dear, see, cyclone. Cyclone, this word has been derived from the word cycle. Fine, cycle. And cycle means you all know, like that, round, round. Okay. So here what is happening? Basically this cyclone, it can emerge in any part. It can emerge in land also, it can emerge in ocean also. But most of the time we have seen that cyclone is emerging in the water bodies. Why? Because in water bodies we don't have any obstacle. In land areas you will find buildings are there and other obstacles are there, trees are there, but in water body you won't find this type of obstacle. So what happens in the large area? Suppose the central part is having low pressure, central part is having low pressure, and apart from that the far areas is having high pressure. Here also we have high pressure, here also we have high pressure, and here also we have high pressure. Okay, so as we all know, wind always moves from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, this is the direction of the wind, high pressure to low pressure. So it will always move from high pressure to low pressure like that. Understood? Fine. And the more the difference between the high pressure and low pressure will be there, the higher the speed will be there. And it moves in the rotation, moves in the rotation, moves in the rotation, and when it comes into the particular living space, it brings too much destruction. Okay, so that is what cyclone for you. Very basic thing I have told you, although so much detail is there. Fine, but at the class 9th level we have just understood this basic concept. Fine. Now after that some key terms are there that I just wanted to tell you. So just better write one first key term, that is called as Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi. Okay, some tricks I will also share with you so that you will understand. Okay, Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi. Fine. So what is Kal Baisakhi? Basically, see, Kal Baisakhi is the local thunderstorm. Okay, what is Kal Baisakhi? It is local thunderstorm with lightning and rainfall. Okay, so here let us see, Kali Ma is the avatar of Lord Durga, and Durga festival we are celebrating most in West Bengal. So here Kal Baisakhi will be there in which particular part? West Bengal, West Bengal. Okay, so simply we can say that Kal Baisakhi is the local thunderstorm with heavy rainfall and lightning in the parts of West Bengal. Simply we can say it comes in 1 mark in your examination. Okay, the next one we have, that is called as mango shower. Mango shower. Okay, so what is mango shower? Mango shower is basically the pre-monsoon shower in the parts of Kerala and Karnataka. In the parts of Kerala and Karnataka, it is what? Pre-monsoon shower, and it comes in this particular parts of Kerala and Karnataka, and it is helping in the early ripening of mangoes. That is why it is called as mango shower. So there's many details you can write, and then like next one we have is Lu. What we have? Lu. Okay. So what is Lu? Lu is basically found in the north and northwestern part of India. Basically in the month of summer we are getting this, north and northwestern part of India, and these are what? Hot, dusty, dry winds, which is not good for our health. So that is why our parents are always suggesting that during the Lu time we should not go out of home. Okay. Now the next one is there, that is called as burst of monsoon. Okay, burst of monsoon. So what is burst of monsoon? When the clouds are just opening and suddenly the rainfall is coming in wholesale manner, then it is called as burst of monsoon. So here directly all the particular rain are coming together, that is called as burst of monsoon. Now the next one we have, that is called as October heat. October heat. So basically October heat is there in the month of October, basically after the rainfall, when the clouds are becoming, when the sky is becoming free from the clouds, when the sunlight is coming directly on the surface of the earth, and because of which the temperature is increasing, and this is only called as October heat. So these are some special key terms are there that I have shared with you. Apart from that, in this particular chapter you will also see one more topic, that is what? Season. Season. Season is there. So basically we have different type of season. We have, summer season. Okay, we have rainy season. We have autumn season, and we have winter season also. Fine. Right now what is going? Winter season is going, and after that summer season will come. Fine. So here 4 type of season we have. You are discussing about this from class 6 level. So I'm just giving you this topic as homework, that what is the duration of summer. The temperature will be very high, and it will be very difficult time for the plantation and animals. Okay. In rainy season, basically most of the part of India is getting rainfall. Fine. And here the time duration you can write. Fine. Similarly for autumn also, autumn is a transition particular time between the rainy season and autumn season. Fine. So in that way you can explain your answer. Fine. So now this is also over. Now one question is that always comes, that how monsoon is acting as a unifying bond. So this is I'm giving you homework. You please write this particular answer in your notebook and you will send to me. I'll check who can give me the best possible answer. Again I'm repeating the question, how monsoon is acting as a unifying bond. And the sooner you will submit, the more appreciation you will get. Okay, focus on the quality of the answer, and the method what I have told you during the class, how you will write the answer with the diagram and with the particular point wise answer. That particular thing you please follow while writing the answer. So with this note, we are ending our particular chapter. I hope you have enjoyed the entire chapter. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.